Alright, welcome to my day 16 video challenge. Kelvin Igbinigie here, and today I want to answer a question someone actually asked me some few days ago. It said, how can I actually increase my conversion rate? Because I have a sales funnel running, I run adverts and all, and I feel I can increase my the number of sales I'm getting per day or per week. And I said, okay, let me give you one good tip. I want to talk about using scarcity and urgency to actually increase the number of sales you get. So what scarcity was, urgency was, all of this stuff. Now it's one thing you should learn to actually incorporate into your marketing. Whatever you're selling, whatever you want to sell, think of a way you can actually use scarcity to actually drive more sales. You see, okay, why will scarcity actually drive more sales? Alright, let me just say this. What is actually scarcity? Scarcity simply means the product is running out of stock, or something running out of stock, or the product will not be available for actually the nearest future, So why would people actually buy more if you actually put in scarcity into your sales funnel or into your offer, what you're offering? Let me just say this. Whenever there's limited supply of something, people actually believe that product is a good product. People actually believe that when a product is scarce, that means the product is very popular. People are rushing it, people are buying it, a lot of people are enjoying. That means people really love this product, or this product is actually working. They now believe that this product it makes them value the product more, and it makes them want to get it as soon as possible, as fast as they can. Another reason is this: scarce items actually feel exclusive, which actually makes it more desirable for your buyers, for your prospective customers. Alright, so scarcity actually makes people want to buy your product right now. So how do you actually put in scarcity into your sales funnel, into your offers? Let me just give you some few tips here. You can actually use urgency words and phrases, something like limited slots, or react now, click here to sign up before the deadline, click here to buy this product before I run out of stock. So there are some words you should actually use: closing soon, don't miss out, limited sales, limited copies, limited product, limited edition. There's some words you can actually use to actually make your product feel, to actually project that your product is actually a scarce product. Okay, so another way you can actually use put this into your offer is that you have to let them see what they're actually losing if they don't get your offer. Something like, don't miss out on this offer. If you miss out, you're going to lose your chance of making money. If you miss out, you're going to lose your chance of actually having a clearer skin. If you miss out, you might regret for the entire life why you actually missed this offer. You have to make them feel like they're going to lose something if they don't get your product right now. So you make it urgent, like right now. You have to get your product right now. Something like that. Also, you can actually display like limitations. Put limitations. You can say, I'm only selling 27 bottles of this. I'm only selling 17 people. I'm only accepting 17 people into this training. I'm only accepting 25 people into this training. And this actually makes more people to want to get in before the limit is exceeded. You get what I mean? Alright, you can actually use also the popular countdown timer that actually shows that the time is ticking, and if you don't get the offer before the timer hits 0, you're gonna lose this product, or you're gonna miss out on this offer. So put a countdown timer on your sales page. Okay, so you can put the countdown somewhere very big, make it very obvious, that make it big enough, and ensure that they see it, and put a deadline. This product ends in 3 days, and your countdown is counting down to 3 days. So, and you can actually decide that, okay, when the timer hits 0, remove the price or redirect them to another page to actually show that this thing is real. Make it as real as possible. There are many ways you can actually use scarcity in your marketing. There are many ways you can think about different things. Just be creative about it, but ensure that what you're doing looks very real, because most people already know that there are many fake countdown timers out there, and there are many fake scarcity stuff out there already. So you have to be creative and make it as real as possible. If possible, make it 100% real, or make it an evergreen funnel. That means the funnel that does not really end. The canal that does not really end, it goes on with everybody's browser. Alright, so that's it for today. You can actually increase your sale using scarcity and urgency in your offers. Now go look into your offer and see how you're going to use this for your next product or for the product you're currently selling. Test it out, just try it out, and you know what, let me know in the comment below if you're going to try this in your sales funnel or in your business right now. Let me know in the comment section below. Just drop a comment and tell me I'm going to try this, or I'm going to try this on this, or if you have any question at all, just drop it in the comment box below and I'm going to do my best to answer you right now. Okay, so come to the comment below and let's continue our discussion there. Kindly like, comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, go ahead and subscribe. Just a minute, less than a minute, you just click on the button, bam, and you are in. Just bam, and you are in. You know, and don't forget to click on the bell button that will show after you subscribe, so you can get notification each time I post a video. All right, so I'm waiting for your feedbacks, waiting for your comments. I love you guys so much. All right, I'll see you day 17. Bye.